Hello guys, in this video we will see Rocket League Downdetector explained how to track server outages fast. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step accessing Downdetector for Rocket League content. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating directly to the Downdetector website. Downdetector.com. Once there, use the search bar prominently displayed at the top of the page. Type Rocket League into the search field and press Enter or click the search icon. This action will redirect you to the dedicated Rocket League status page, which aggregates real-time outage reports specific to the game, providing the initial point of access for server status information.
Step interpreting the outage graph content. Upon landing on the Rocket League Downdetector page, your primary focus should be the large graph dominating the page. This graph displays the number of reported problems over a per-hour period, comparing current reports to a typical baseline. A significant spike above the usual volume of problems line indicates a potential widespread outage or service disruption. The higher the spike, the more severe or widespread the issue is likely to be, giving you an immediate visual cue of server instability compared to normal operations.
Step examining the live outage map and report breakdown content. Below the main graph, you'll find a live outage map highlighting geographical areas with reported problems. This map can help determine if an outage is localized to your region or a more global issue. Additionally, Downdetector provides a breakdown of reported problem types, such as server connection, login, or online play. Analyzing these categories offers specific insight into the nature of the server issue, helping you understand if the problem primarily affects matchmaking, account access, or general game connectivity. Step for reviewing user-submitted comments content. Scroll down further on the page to access the section containing user-submitted comments. This is a crucial area for fast insight, as players often describe their specific problems, error codes, and server region in real time. Reading these comments can quickly confirm if your issues are shared by many others, identify common symptoms, and sometimes even provide temporary workarounds or additional context from the community. Sort comments by newest to get the most up-to-date information instantly.
Step confirming with official Rocket League channels content. While Downdetector provides rapid community-reported information, always cross-reference its findings with official sources for definitive confirmation. Check the official Rocket League Twitter account, Rocket League, or Role Support, and the Psyonix Support website. Official channels will provide confirmed outage statuses, estimated resolution times, and direct updates from the developers. This final step ensures you receive the most accurate and actionable information regarding server status and planned maintenance.